Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the tablet and PC so the update runs cleanly. First, plug the tab into your computer and open Samsung's Smart Switch. Once it detects the device, you can proceed. Make sure the battery is above 50% because interruptions cause failures. Also, perform a quick backup in Smart Switch now. This preserves apps, contacts, and photos. After backup completes, select the available device update in Smart Switch and click Update. The tool will download necessary files and cue the install. Once Smart Switch downloads the firmware, let it transfer the package to the tablet without interruption. You will see prompts to accept terms and confirm an automatic reboot. Accept them because the tool must reboot to apply system changes. Make sure your PC stays awake and avoid USB hubs. Connect directly to a good USB port. During installation, the tablet may reboot 2 or 3 times. That is normal. Wait patiently and do not interact until Smart Switch reports that the update finished successfully. After the final reboot, open Settings and confirm the new software version under About Tablet so you know the update applied. Once confirmed, restore your data from the Smart Switch backup if anything didn't carry over. Ensure apps and accounts sync. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to reinstall Samsung USB drivers on the PC, switch to a different high-quality USB cable or port, and retry the update. Also reboot both devices before attempting a second time to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.